Damn, look at them wheels, baby. What is up, guys? I'm here with Grace and Chris. And we are headed to, I forgot what part of PA this is, but we're gonna go pick up the BMW's coilovers and wheels. Road trip! So I can't wait to show you guys what wheels I got for this car. And then I'm just picking up their, I forgot what coilovers, the RACELAND coilovers. So I heard like mixed reviews about them, but hopefully they ride good and they're used. So I mean, I'm getting them for a deal. But we're also headed to Pennsylvania. My grandpa owns like 50 acres up there. We're gonna have some fun, mess around on the four-wheelers and shoot some guns and all that cool stuff. But we're gonna take you guys with us on our journey and we're gonna go do some cool things. Yeah! Yes!
Try so hard to get away. Think about you every day.
Alright dudes, we're like 5 minutes away. We're getting ready to pull up to go check out these wheels. Comment down below what you guys think. What style did I get? I just want to know. I mean, you guys are gonna see in like a couple of seconds. I'm really excited to get these wheels on here. Let's go check them out. What? Carriage, bro. Yo, I've never seen a horse and carriage like just flopping around. That's wild. But I think we're here. All right, guys, if we're not back, you know where we're at. I'm joking. Let's go check out. He has a few cars, so we can check those out while we're here. The main event is the coils and the wheels, so we'll check all that stuff out, guys.
So here's your wheel.
Nice.
Coilovers.
They're pretty clean. Yeah, they are.
Yeah, you know, I just wanted to say exactly what I've gotten to places, looked at cars, or been somewhere, and it's not what it's.
Yeah, no, I feel you.
Yeah,
especially if someone's driving like 2.5 hours, you know.
I mean, some of it you can kind of just throw off, but the other time it's kind of like sets you back, you know. Either do it or don't, but it sets you back.
Yeah,
it sets you back as far as in time, it sets you back as far as, you know, you spent the money to get out there, so.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah,
these are nice though.
Rough, man. That one's.
It don't look too bad.
That's an IS, but I stripped the interior out, and you know it goes from there. You just keep on keep chugging away. I have all kinds of other parts like Z3M diff cover and.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna do a Z3 like rack and pinion and stuff.
Yep.
So I got. It's pretty much stock. I ordered a whole bunch of parts for it. So now I just gotta get all this stuff going.
I took the lights off and took some things off, getting them fixed.
Parts car, yeah. This thing's nice though.
But like if you look inside, you can, you know, it's a Euro car because they're usually stamped.
Oh yeah.
And then also you can tell the windshield wipers here. And if I had light on it, you would see that like even the engine layout, it's all different.
This kind of
like the way the AC is.
It kind of looks like mine.
I mean, yours could be. I mean,
yeah, it might. I don't.
You know, the E's I know have the radiator like this, but there's other things like even the way the AC is ran, that's different.
This looks pretty close to similar.
Yeah, I mean, you know it by it's stamped and by the.
Yeah. Where would the stamp be? Just so I can like check mine out. Just.
The driver's side.
Driver's side.
Yeah, here I'll show you.
Yeah, I got mine off some old dude.
You know, yeah, you never know. Right there, it's stamped. You know, because somebody would have had to do the legal work to report it.
Nice.
So
I like
an auto with the little sport or whatever.
That's what I got. Yeah.
Oh, you got the sport auto?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
And it's got the.
Could be. You never know.
Yeah, it's got the
How's your cluster look like? Does your cluster kind of look like that?
It's the exact same. Yeah. And then I got this little button up here. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it could be.
It might be. That's crazy. Alright guys, so he was a pretty chill dude. We got the freaking wheels, guys. We got the freaking wheels.
The wheelie wheels.
So I'm probably gonna be installing these guys at Jimmy's probably next week or something. And then hopefully I ordered a little suspension kit for the whole car and we're gonna install all that stuff. So look forward for that video. Now we're headed to my grandpa's house. We just gotta find service. It's, you know what I'm saying, PA, it's like a hit or miss with service because you're up in the mountains. But glad we got the wheels, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments below. We're gonna freaking not hit a bear or something.
Totally sick.
We got a little pit stop here, guys. We're like, I don't know where the hell we are, somewhere in PA.
Sheets.
Oh, sheets. But we're, oh, they got flex fuel, what? That's icy. So this sheets, I don't know where we're at. This is sheets somewhere. They got flex fuel, but I gotta gas Chris up because we're using his car, you know. And we're gonna go grab some probably munchie food or something, and then yeah, let's freaking do this. Hey, look at them wheels, baby. sauce.
3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3.
So I'm relieving Chris.
Yo, this is
Even
dope.
the tunnel's foggy. The camera don't make it look like as good as it should for like how foggy it is in this tunnel.
This tunnel's dope.
This tunnel's cool. I don't remember this tunnel. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't either. Probably because I've never been here. Oh, yeah, I saw it here.
There was a duck in the road.
What the hell? It's like a double tunnel. We're going under the mountains. Tunnel part 2.
Alright guys, here we go. We gotta get through this tunnel.
Subaru gang, this is the STI people. Shut up.
Yo, this is trippy.
3 hours later.
It's not that secure. Your hand looks like we're about to go down.
Look how, yo, we flew through this tunnel. Yo.
It's not as foggy up here. That's crazy. Like on the other side, like you could probably see like from here to that bridge, and it was kind of sketchy. But
It's because it was a mountain. I think we either went down or up.
I think we were in the valley of the mountain back there, so it was kind of. This is still a little bit foggy, but I mean it's not anywhere as bad. It just looks like clouds floating on the ground. What is up, guys? We made it to Pennsylvania. So we went four-wheeling for a couple hours. We got lost. It sucks that we didn't get to record that. I was gonna use my GoPro. I'm obviously not gonna bring this because it was like rainy and stuff earlier. But now the next time we go out, we're gonna bring the GoPro, put it on the helmet. We got some gunnies. We're gonna shoot some gunnies because you know the gun range, they don't let you take cameras in, but we got our own gun range, guys. Check this out. This is so nice out here. We're gonna do that. Get some dope video. Roll out, Chris. Roll out. We got our Christmas bag with the presents. He's got the AR, we got the 9. We're gonna go head up there and shoot some targets, guys. Let's start this baby up. All right, guys, always wear ear protection because you don't want to go deaf and like, you know, we're not in Chicago, guys. Wear some earmuffs and keep your ears protected.
Why do I get the pink ones, man?
Cause you a bitch.
Maybe I like girls.
Young boy Chris Ray shoot the AR-15 for the first time. Go ahead. Hold up.
Another one.
All right, AR-15. Yeah. Ah! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn, hit me in the head. Ah. So, first AR-15, what do you think?
It was sick, man.
So sick. Oh, damn, we got hollow points in that bitch. Oh, man.
Oh, I'm dumb.
Here we go. Way off, holy cow.
Oh, it's jammed.
That's wild. This feels so good. I love it.
It's all out.
Chris, ready for the 9? Woo! Damn. You're out. Nice. That's cool. You can see it like bounce off, like goes through the board and like bounces off. That's sick. Now on fire. You gotta get her a little closer. Cause all I want to do is. I'm actually gonna aim now. I almost fell on this thing, man. We don't read, but we still got magazines. It's like, I don't know. Guys, if you never shot a gun, you need to practice gun safety because a lot of things can go bad. Aim, fire! Damn, almost hit me. Yeah, go ham for a sec. I look crazy like that one dude, what's his name, Elmer Fudd? There's a wabbit. But it's like, it's pretty cold and raining, but we're gonna go shoot off some more guns. Chris never shot a shotgun, so we got a 16 gauge, a 12 gauge, and then we got this is a 9mm. It's like kind of like a Uzi type thing. This is a 9mm. We're gonna shoot off some of that while the GoPro is getting charged. I had it on charge while we went out the first time, but it didn't charge up. So we're gonna get this going, and then we're going to do some four-wheeler riding for you guys, pop some wheelies, and have some fun, guys. If you want to see some more pictures and stuff, follow us on Instagram right here, and you can see some more stuff we did. But let's go. Yeah. Yeah. That's not bad. It's a 16er.
Pretty nice.
Pop them bitches out. You gotta try the 12. Woo! Yeah, that's a good one right there. Hey, that's my sister.
Eat rocks.
Alright guys, so we've been messing around with the 12 and the 16 gauge, and Chris is trying to cut down this tree with the that's the 16? Yeah, he's got the 16, so we've been working at it for a little bit, but chop it down. Ah! Yo, that was dumb hard, yo. 16, baby.
Alright, YouTube, so this is Anthony. We've been working on cutting down some trees, you know. We got the orange hat out. We're basically a lumberjack at this point.
Yeah, but this is how you lumberjack in like 2018 style, you know?
Yeah.
A lot of them want to waste time and just use a chainsaw, but you can just do this. Well,
He almost got it.
these aren't slugs, these are spread rounds. Alright guys, so we're gonna finish up with the guns right here, and then we're gonna go four-wheeling, then we're gonna end this video. But
Four
right
wheels
now,
or two? You tell me, YouTube.
I like them all. All wheels matter. But yeah, let's get rid of some of this ammo.
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say?
I don't know!
What was that? What? Damn! Or laddies, it's time to switch up from the GoPro. Look at this, we got a nice green battery for the GoPro. We're gonna go have some four-wheeling fun, guys. Let's go to the mountains.
Hey yo, light up. It's a gummy beat.
Guys, we're getting ready to leave this place. Thanks to my freaking grandpa for letting us come through. And
shout out to Grampy Gramps.
Chris had a blast, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Shooting his guns, getting wheelies, you saying?
First time on a four-wheeler.
And popping wheelies, come on, man. But comment, rate, subscribe, guys. We're all cold and we got a big journey ahead. But check out the Instagram, like I said, once more. Hit the notification button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.
Pineapples on gold pizza!
Talking shit.